You are going about your day when a notification pops up. It's an unsolicited text from your ex saying they miss you. Your body immediately releases a flood of adrenaline. Your heart rate spikes as your analytical brain yields control to your emotions. The first directive is to do nothing. Place the phone face down and physically step away from the device for a moment. We are going to use a psychological system to bypass those immediate urges. You will learn to draft a response that is polite, but entirely impenetrable. Mastering this sequence shifts the power dynamic. It transforms a moment of high vulnerability into a deliberate demonstration of your personal composure. To begin, you must commit to a full 24-hour waiting period. This gap allows the chemical surge in your body to fade, giving your rational mind space to lead the interaction. Consider the effort involved. A holiday greeting takes less than 30 seconds of effort. Do not attribute deep emotional significance to an action that cost the sender almost nothing. Your memory is currently working against you. In moments of longing, the brain highlights glowing, happy memories, but omits the pain, the neglect, and the specific reasons you are no longer together. If the curiosity to check their social media becomes overwhelming, choose a distracting task for exactly 3 minutes. You will find that the peak of the urge begins to subside within that window. By waiting for the adrenaline to clear and acknowledging the selective nature of your memories, you ensure that the facts of the past dictate your next move. Before you reply, you need to clear the mental pressure. We will use a writing exercise to externalize the thoughts currently crowding your mind. Take a piece of paper and write out every bitter thought and every unanswered question you want to ask them. Do not filter your words or hold back. Once the ink is dry, you must destroy the paper. Burn it or tear it into pieces to end the cycle. This physical act signals to your brain that the energy behind these questions has been spent. It allows your mind to stop searching for external answers that may never come. Externalizing this chaos ensures that when you finally pick up your phone, your actual message will be free of any lingering desperation or hidden anger. Now you are ready to draft the response. This message must follow 3 rigid criteria to ensure your boundaries remain intact. First, the message must be brief. Long paragraphs signal that you are still deeply invested. A single short sentence is all that is required to acknowledge the contact. Second, remain strictly polite. By maintaining a civil tone, you remove any opportunity for them to characterize you as being reactive or stuck in the past. Finally, ensure the interaction is finished. Every sentence must end with a period. Do not include a question, as that acts as an invitation for them to keep talking. Compare these 2 approaches. One is an emotional opening. The other is a simple acknowledgement, such as, "Thanks, hope you have a good one too." If they ask how you are, reply that you are doing well, and finish with, "Thanks for asking." This phrase serves as a polite but firm wall, indicating the conversation is over. Using this specific framework allows you to project an aura of indifference. It shifts the focus from your emotional state back to your personal boundaries. Send the message, then immediately put the phone away. Engage in a task that requires your full focus and benefits your own development. If they do not respond to your polite closure, the outcome is a success. You have prevented an attempt to keep you in their life as a low-priority option. To maintain your focus, remember this principle. You are a complete individual, and your value is never tied to a notification. You must adopt this as your new personal standard. Let it serve as a mental filter, deflecting attempts to pull you into old patterns. Your self-worth is no longer a variable. It is a constant, independent of who